Life was starting to feel chaotic, so I did a reset. If your space is messy, your mind probably is too. Now let's fix that before it becomes even messier. But I'm also trying not to overwhelm myself. Good morning, guys. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, hi, my name is Olga Jones. We do lifestyle and beauty content here, and you are welcome. Do not forget to subscribe to be part of the family. And to my day ones, my family, my subscribers, my all-time supporters, hey boo, you know you're always welcome home. Do not forget to like, comment, and share. Now let's get into today's business. It's Monday and honestly I needed this reset. My space has been feeling off and I can't focus like this. I like to think sometimes it's connected to the mind, because if my house is not clean, then I'm not thinking straight. But we are going to clear our space in order for us to have a sound mind, because a sound mind is where everything starts. But before we clean, we are going to make our weekly closures. Monday is when I like to put my things in order for the new week. Restock some groceries if necessary and clean so the new week can start with a fresh everything. And organize so things can get easily accessible, because as the week progresses, it can get messy, so you need a simpler life. Although I didn't do too much this week because I'm not feeling real good, but yeah guys, do enjoy watch this video and enjoy the sounds as they play.